First, let's start with the simple U shape for the base. Now, draw a little spiral right on top to give it that blooming look. Connect the lines to finish the bud just like that. To make it look real, let's add 2 little leaves at the bottom. A few final touches to make it pop. It looks great, but wait until we add the color. Are you a rose lover? If yes, give this a like right now. If you think this is cute, subscribe for more daily art magic.